These are the best store-bought fries in America today. This is not an ad, this is not a sponsor, they just make some really good fries. And why are these the best store-bought fries in America? Because these are the closest to restaurant-style fries, trust me. And I've made a lot of fries in restaurants, I think I'm qualified. And I've tried almost all the store-bought fries, and these are the best. I've tried these deep fried, I've tried these in the oven, and do you know what the best method is? Oven. They're healthy, and they actually taste deep fried, even though they've been cooked in the oven. Amazing. Why are they the best store-bought fries in America, you ask? Well, they've got a fantastic texture. They're light, they're fluffy, especially cooking them in the oven. If you like crispy fries, you might not like these, or you might like them. I don't like crispy fries. These are just right. Ooh, and also they're fantastic with vinegar. I love vinegar on fries. What you get at the fish and chip shop, they actually taste like fish and chip shop chips, baked in the oven. This does sound like a plug. It sounds like a bloody commercial, but it's not. I just love these fries. Even though I love these fries, there's one problem. My problem is they're not all the same size, which majority of store-bought fries are. But these, you get little tiny little nubbins like this. I'd say 80% of the pack are this size. Then you get, little beauties like this. Not many of these, but the only reason why I'm sticking with them is because they taste amazing. So what am I going to be making with my favourite fries? Meatball marinara fries. Even though I'm on a health kick, I can still be naughty. And of course, use your favourite fries. Right, first you want to get your pan on a medium heat. Then add some olive oil, add diced onions, garlic, don't be shy in the garlic, stir and cook for about 5 minutes. Then add tomatoes, get the good stuff. Oregano, dried is the best. Fresh basil, mine was a little wilted but still did the job. Another drop of olive oil to give it some sheen. Give everything a good stir, bring to a boil, then simmer for about 15-20 minutes. And you want the sauce to reduce down, nice and thick. Right, now for the meatballs. Every time I make meatballs, I use ground chuck. Don't get lean, fat equals flavour. You want 80-20 for these beauties. Add diced onions, garlic, fresh parsley, balsamic, 1 egg, breadcrumbs, parmesan cheese. Again, get the good stuff. And finally, a good pinch of salt. Get in there with your hands and mix well. And I mean really well. Try not to pack the meatballs too tight. If you do, they become tough. Just light. You heard the man, gently. If you pack them too tight, they'll become chewy and tough. Trust me, you don't want that. Right, next, add some olive oil to a hot pan. You want a good bit in there. Now get a nice brown on those meatballs. Look at them beauties. When they're nice and brown on each side, grab some kitchen towel just to remove some extra fat. Add to the sauce, give the pan a good shimmy just to coat the meatballs, bring to a boil, then simmer for about 10 minutes. At the end, I like to add some chili flakes, just for a little kick. Season with salt and pepper, and you're good, my friends. I've got to say, that's a good bag of fries, mostly all a good size. Now it's time for the build-up. Add fries, sauce, meatballs. I use parmesan and mozzarella, then place them to the grill until the cheese is melted. Come on, look at that. You can't beat that. Fantastic with plenty of beer. Thanks, guys.